Once upon a time, there lived a little girl called Red Riding Hood. She had a red cape which she wore everywhere she went. One day, her mother asked her to deliver yummy food to her sick granny. Little Red Riding Hood took the basket and was on her way to her granny's through the forest. She reminded herself her mother's warning not to talk to strangers, but the moment she reminded herself, she forgot it. She picked some flowers for her granny, unaware of the ravenous wolf watching her. "Ooh, what's that yummy smell? Is it the girl with the red cape, or is it the contents of that basket?" the wolf asked himself. He decided to talk to Red Riding Hood. "What are you doing here all alone, little girl?" "I'm taking all of this yummy food to my sick granny," she replied. The wolf then inquired about the location of Granny's house, his eyes not leaving the basket. A devious plan formed in his mind. He licked his lips at the thought of the feast he was about to have. He took a shortcut to Granny's house and knocked. "Who is it?" the granny asked. "It's me, Little Red Riding Hood." "Come in, dearie." The wolf came in and ate Granny. She tried to escape to save her granddaughter, but it was too late. The nasty wolf put on Granny's clothes as a disguise. Even though it didn't fit, the wolf was a great actor. Unsuspecting Little Red Riding Hood came to Granny's house and thought to herself, "Granny must be really sick. She looks horrible. My, Granny, what big eyes you have. The better to see you with. My, Granny, what a big nose you have. The better to smell you with. My, Granny, what big teeth you have. The better to eat you with." And the wolf gobbled up Little Red Riding Hood. There nearby, a lumberjack heard the racket and went to investigate. It was the big, bad wolf. He fought with the wolf bravely. It was an intense battle and emerged victorious. He fished Granny and Little Red Riding Hood out of the wolf's tummy, and they all lived happily ever after. Thank you for watching.